Investments is about creating that generational wealth, changing the trajectory of your family, your heritage, your family line, whatever it might be. So I talked about the most successful people on this planet. Doesn't matter how many hundreds of millions of dollars they're making. I know one guy particularly that I can think of as an example. He made 50 million, I think, in 1 year in business, but he spent more than that on ad revenue and on his business and on expenses. Technically, he's broke and he's in debt. The lesson is that you guys see that. You guys see the big money and all that stuff, but you guys don't see behind the scenes, how much they're spending and what they're getting there. So point was, Tony Robbins could be making 100 million a year from his live seminars that he does, but maybe all that does is covers all his business expenses and whatnot for his other businesses. Maybe his money comes from somewhere else. But all these guys that are extremely wealthy, you look at the Buffetts and all these people, it comes from their investments. Also tax purposes, right? If you're earning income, well, even if it's corporate tax, you're still paying a lot of tax, right? But all these people are extremely wealthy and paying very little tax. I don't know if you guys saw the white papers came out about Buffett, Bezos, Elon Musk, all their taxes and what they've paid. And they've paid something like 0 point something to like 3% in taxes over the last like however many decades, whereas regular folks are paying, depending on where you live, 10, 12, 15, 20, 40, 50, 60% in taxes, depending on where you live, right? And then you have our guys over there worth 100 billion paying 3%, right? There's different reasons. One of the biggest reasons is capital gains, right? They keep their money in their assets in their companies. They're not selling. The moment they sell and pull out that money, they have to pay taxes on it, but they continue to build their wealth through their investments, right? So Warren Buffett's net worth 101 billion, 102 billion right now. It's in Berkshire Hathaway. And he's notoriously said when he passes away, he's 94 now, so whenever that is, but he's notoriously said he's given away, I think 80%, maybe 90%, something along those lines to charity. And I think 2-3% he told his lawyers or accountants or whatnot to put into the S&P 500 and just have for his family's wealth. So that's how it operates, right? So anyways, the point here is you want to have investment goals because that's where the wealth is going to be made.